Welcome to day 12. For today's costume, I wanted to make a cute rainbow. You need 6 different colors of felt, a piece of white felt for your clouds, scissors, and your glue gun. I found a half circle and cloud-shaped outline and used it to create a template so that my edges were perfect. With the wrong sides together, cut 2 half circles from the red felt. Connect the 2 half circles with red felt straps to go over the shoulders using a straight pin. My pieces are 2 inches wide. You can slip it on your child to make sure the placement is correct before you glue it together. Using the base, begin cutting half circles in descending sizes to create the rainbow effect for both the front and back. Glue each piece in place from largest to smallest. Cut out 4 cloud shapes from the white felt and glue them to the bottom of the rainbow. To create the headband, I printed the Free Sun Costume printable template. I cut out 5 large triangles from yellow foam glitter. Starting at the bottom left side of the headband, I folded a triangle piece over the headband. I used hot glue to secure it in place. Repeat adding another triangle to the headband until it is full. I added a few smaller pieces to the back to add to the sunbeam. Thanks to Fun365 for the free headband template and tutorial. I will attach a link in the description box below. This costume turned out so cute and was very easy to construct. Pair the rainbow with a white shirt and leggings and colorful shoes. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.